In this video, I will show you how to translate any Chinese video from Chinese language to English or whatever language of your choice without any stress. Let me show you how. So I have a Chinese video as an example right here. So I'm going to open up my folder right here and bring out the Chinese video. So take a look at this particular video right here.
外观视频今天回来了，给你拍一下，上面都挡着在。这不是叠的啊，这是撞的。你看一下这边口子，然后这里面还有几台都拿保护膜罩着在。
So you can hear the voice in this video here is in Chinese. How can we translate it into English? So let's go. The first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and open up our Chrome browser. Then what you want to do here is to make sure you come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type into this particular website. So hit enter key on your keyboard. And in a few minutes, it's taking you to the web official page right here. Next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on tools right here. Then here you have video translator right here. Just click on the video translator. So when you click on video translator, it's going to take you to AI video translator page right here. So allow it to load up. Just like so. Now here you have your spoken language right here, which is which is Chinese. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here and then look for Chinese and easily search for the language. Just like so. So Chinese right here. So when you choose Chinese, then so targeted language here, click on here. So you can translate to any language of your choice. But in this video, we want to see how we can translate from Chinese to something like English. So I can type in English right here. So English, just like so. Next thing we want to do here is drop file here, browse file or import from some of these options right here. So I'm going to click on browse file. So when you click on browse file, you have to locate where you have the Chinese video in your PC. So I have it, what's the name of the folder right here? That is here. So this folder here, this is where I have the video, and this is the right here. Then click on open. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on upload file. So right here you have different voiceover artists right here. You have free and you have pro, as the case may be. So some of this one here are pro. You can see these are pro voiceover. So I'm going to use some of the free voiceover right here. So I'm going to use this one right here. So let's play it.
In the relentless pursuit of greatness, don't forget the beauty of
Okay, I'm going to use this voiceover right here. So once you choose your voiceover, next thing you want to do right here is to go down right here and then click on voiceover. Just like so. We have everything right here being translated into English language, even with a closed caption, just like what you see right here. Now let's quickly play the video right here. Now the video is smooth, so what we want to do here is to work on the speaker. So we want to make sure that we turn on this particular source speaker right here. So let's play it. So that is for source speaker. So we want to make sure we turn it low. Then we want to make sure we play the video again. So you can see it has been translated into English language. So we want to make sure we increase the volume right here. So let's play the video from the beginning again.
TV frequency is back today. Take a picture of you, and the top is blocked. This is not a fall, this is a collision. You look at what he said here, and then this. There are also mechanisms inside, all of which are protected, and they are all covered with protective films. Him.
So that's just the end of the video. Let's
the external TV frequency is back today. Take a picture of you, and the top is blocked. This is not a fall, this is a collision. You look at what he said here, and then this. There are also mechanisms inside, all of which are protected, and they are all covered with protective films. Him.
Just like so. Then you can also try and listen to the original voice. So we want to make sure we turn off this, and then we turn on the original source audio right here, and we go ahead and we'll play the video again.
外观视频今天回来了，给你拍一下，上面都挡着在。
Just like so. So once you are satisfied with the translate, what you need to do right here is to make sure you turn off the source volume, and then make sure you increase the dubbing volume right here. So let's play the video again.
The external TV frequency is back today. Take a picture of you, and the top is blocked. This is not a fall, this is a collision. You look at what he said here, and then this. There are also mechanisms inside, all of which are protected, and they are all covered with protective.
Just like so. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we can share the video. We can click on download or export the video right here. So once you click on export the video right here, go ahead and click on media. Under the media right here, so you have your language, which is English. You can also export with the subtitle in English language. Make sure you check on that. Then come down below right here and make sure you click on MP4 video, or better still, you can export it as audio, which is MP3 file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about useful tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.